Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav had commissioned a 15-member team to visit Sambal today. This, remember, was after violence had ensued in Uttar Pradesh's Sambal district over a mosque survey. Remember, the Supreme Court had halted the survey and the next hearing is scheduled for January. However, now the Samajwadi Party leaders allege that they are being stopped from visiting Sambal. SP leaders argue that they should have been given a notice before being stopped from visiting the location.
नहीं, लेकिन हमको कुछ ये सब हमको एक नोटिस देनी चाहिए नियमानुसार कि साहब हमारे यहाँ ये स्थिति आप नहीं जा सकते। तो लिखित नोटिस तो कुछ दिया नहीं इन्होंने, केवल पुलिस लगा दी। आप मुझे ये बता दो, न्याय आयोग जा रहा है, अब ये प्रेस के लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं, उनके जाने से नहीं कोई खतरा पैदा हो रहा है। अगर हम चले जाएंगे तो वहाँ अशांति पैदा हो जाएगी। ये सरकार जानबूझकर अपने सारे कार्यों पर पर्दा डालने के लिए हम लोगों को रोक रही है। देखिए, अब वो कमिश्नर जो हैं, उधारू कमिश्नर हैं।
My colleague Ranveer joins us from outside the leader of opposition Uttar Pradesh's house. Ranveer, take us through the situation there. It's quite tense politically as well. We're learning that the Samajwadi Party leaders are now being stopped from visiting the location.
Yes, I'm at Samajwadi Party's top leader, Mata Prasad Pandey's residence. He is the leader of opposition in UP Assembly, and you can see this is the residence. And if I'll ask my cameraman to come inside, I'll show you how Mata Prasad Pandey is sitting in his lawn, and he is alleging that the UP police is trying to stop him and forcibly trying to stop him because 3 days back he talked to DGP, and DGP asked him not to visit Sambal for at least 3 days. And after 3 days, Mata Prasad Pandey, along with 14 other leaders of Samajwadi Party, wanted to visit Sambal on instruction of party chief Akhilesh Yadav. But police had stopped him, and you can see this is the residence where Mata Prasad Pandey is sitting. And if I'll show you the situation outside, you can see some policemen. They are standing since last night, and due to huge security arrangements, Mata Prasad Pandey is being stopped here. And you can see Ravidas Mehrotra. He is also a top leader of Samajwadi Party. He contested Lok Sabha election from Lucknow, and he is also in the delegation of the 15 members of Samajwadi Party. And he also alleges that deliberately the administration is trying to stop Samajwadi Party leaders, and they are scared of Samajwadi Party and its chief Akhilesh Yadav. So big matter of conflict between the opposition and ruling party BJP over Sambal. So the situation in Sambal is tense, and the district magistrate of Sambal has issued prohibitory orders BNS 163 in Sambal due to tense situations. But still, Samajwadi Party has constituted a 15 members delegation to visit Sambal, to take stock of the situation, to talk to the victims of Sambal. But administration in Lucknow, it is stopped. I'll try to ask Ravidas Mehrotra. He is MLA from Lucknow, and he is also a top leader of Samajwadi Party. So Akhilesh Yadav, he is repeatedly trying to establish that administration is scared of Samajwadi's party, and that's why they are the leaders are being stopped here in Lucknow and also in other parts of UP, because administration don't want to allow these leaders, and that's why you can see a huge security arrangements outside Mata Prasad Pandey's residence. So this Sambal issue has become a political matter of discussion between ruling and opposition parties in Uttar Pradesh.